Sora 2 just launched, it is free and it is absolutely insane. I got my hands on it and I already made these Sam Altman memes.
Is that Sam?
Meow. Why is he dressed like a cat?
I have no idea.
Meow. Is this some kind of experiment?
Meow.
He looks serious.
You good, Sam?
Meow.
More GPUs! More GPUs! More GPUs! More GPUs!
You heard them. Jensen, deliver the GPU now.
And as you can see, we finally have audio on Sora, we have Cameo, and we have a bunch of other things inside of this tool. Now, I will show you how to get access for free, even if you're in Europe like me, like I'm in the Netherlands and I still got access. And I will show you how it all works. So let's dive straight into it. So this is the Sora 2 platform, and we got this on the mobile app on iOS and on desktop. From the looks of it, it is similar to how TikTok works, like this is somewhat of a AI slop feed. And I don't know what Sam Altman has done, but yeah, it is absolutely insane. So I will link this website in the description down below. Now, if you want to get access, then you need to get an invite code. But first, if you're not from the USA or Canada, then you need to use a VPN in order to access this site. So what I'm using is NordVPN. I will leave a link to that in the description down below, so you can try this out yourself. A premium VPN works best with this. So after you've connected to the United States, like I am right here, you can then access the Sora website. The next thing you want to do is you want to enter in your invite code. I will add in my invite code right here. Be there quick because I only have 4 of them.
Please, just need one invite. Somebody share the code!
Look, I've got everything open. Just let me in.
Please, I want access so bad! Me too! I'm ready right now! Send us the invite code!
Now, if you're too late, I would urge you to go over to the OpenAI Discord and go over to the Sora 2 tab. Here people are sharing their invite codes. Sometimes this doesn't work, like for example this one. 4 of them are pressing the X button and 1 of them is happy. So literally you gotta kind of like stream snipe this page right here and then hope for the best. I also want to tell you in the comments down below, if you got in, please share your codes in the comments down below so everyone else can get access. Everyone gets up to like 4 invites once you're into the platform. So now that you got access to Sora 2, let me just explain how this platform works. And yeah, the AI slop already has been crazy. So let's just go over this feed. So we got Sam Altman right here.
My precious GPUs. Yes, precious. We love them. We does. So many cores, so fast. Nobody else gets them. No, my precious. Oh, look at them. The little boards, the fans, sweet and cold. My precious GPUs. Yes, precious. We love them. We does. So many cores.
I don't know what Sam Altman has done to himself. Like, he has turned himself into the biggest meme. So you can see what other people have created and posted. I have done a few posts myself. Let me just show you a few that I made. So here I have this one.
Oh, cute. You got VO3. That's adorable. We got Sora 2.
Yeah. So that's just one of the things you can do. Here we got another one that is the current situation within this Discord community.
Please, just need one invite. Somebody share the code!
Look, I've got everything open. Just let me in.
Please, I want access so bad! Me too! I'm ready right now! Send us the invite code!
The way this works is you can generate your videos, so in this generation bar, and then you can add a cameo. You can add in cameos of yourself by using the iOS app. And if you are from Europe, you need to get access to a USA Apple ID in order to download that app. I currently don't have that. I only have this available on my phone right now, but after this video, trust me, I'm gonna get access soon by changing my location to USA. So then you can select the character or the cameo that you want to use. So in this case, we do Sam Altman, and then you can type in your prompt. You can switch between landscape and portrait, and you can add in your own footage. So if you have any meme, any type of video where you want to do something with it, you can upload it in here and it will help you generate the video. Now the cameos are surprisingly good. Like, I've generated a bunch of different videos mimicking Sam Altman.
Everyone, this is a little surreal, but I feel honored, and I brought gifts, free Sora 2 codes. They're inside. Help yourselves.
That's amazing.
Honestly, it's insane. Like, look at this one.
Is that Sam?
Meow. Why is he dressed like a cat?
I have no idea.
Meow. Is this some kind of experiment?
Meow.
He looks serious.
You good, Sam?
Meow.
Yeah, I'm having way too much fun with this. Here's another one.
AI will take millions of jobs. What will you do? Maybe just sit back and watch.
The other thing I must note from testing this out so far is that they are trying to compete with Instagram and TikTok.
I'm
I'm fighting back. TikTok, Instagram, the endless scroll, they've had their turn.
Meet Sora 2. My feed, my rules.
Powered by adaptive AI, the noise just disappears.
Literally, this whole app is meant as a AI slop social media feed. Like, look at my bio. Like, you can follow me right now. If you search on Dan Keefe, then you will find my account and you can watch my AI slop on my account. So make sure to follow me there. But yeah, I already have 6 followers, 6 likes. So that means that this like becomes a new platform that if you want to scroll, you might use Sora for this. Honestly, I'm not sure where that is going, but it looks interesting. So if you want to become AI famous, then this might be the platform that you need to jump on fast. Other than that, it has a few issues so far. So I've tried creating a few different things and I got censored a few times. So for example, right here, I had this prompt, Will Smith eating a bowl of spaghetti. Unfortunately, that violated the content policy because using someone else's face without permission is violating their agreement. Other things that don't work is using any character from like Star Wars movies. I tried it here with Darth Vader, but strangely enough, doing this with Pikachu does still work. So if we take a look at that prompt, it's literally Pikachu doing ASMR. And he's doing a remix of other videos, so that's a possibility too. To do a remix, the way it works is you click on remix right here, and now you can type in your own prompt. So now we're gonna say Pikachu saying Pika Pika. So now we can say Pikachu saying Pika Pika. Then it is regenerating that same video, but with your own new prompt onto it. So it's literally like remixing, like the name says. You can also comment on it. So we have like comments, likes, and people are going crazy on this. Now it seems to work quite well with other characters too, with South Park, SpongeBob, Rick and Morty as well, and we got Minecraft. Honestly, I have no idea how they're gonna get away with this, if there will be more censoring or if there's gonna be a massive lawsuit for OpenAI, or if they can just use this. Now, to help out the community, if you want to share your invite codes, then please leave them in the comments down below. I already have shared mine too, but there's a massive demand for them. And if you want to be one of the first to access this, if you're outside of the USA and Canada, then you need to use a VPN like NordVPN. I will leave the link to that in the description down below. Make sure to subscribe, follow me on Sora, and also more videos on this coming soon.